Increased screen time from remote learning during the pandemic has parents and children worried about their eye health. News 8's Luke Laster spoke with one pediatric ophthalmologist and has more on steps you can take to keep an eye on your kid's vision.
Specifically from a screen point, not necessarily worse.
Although screens tend to draw you in for a longer period of time, screens aren't particularly the cause of vision problems like headaches, dry eyes, and myopia, also known as nearsightedness. Dr. Lauren Fletcher Morehouse, a pediatric ophthalmologist at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, says she's seen an increase of children coming in facing eye fatigue or strain, which has left parents worried and wanting to be informed about where it's coming from.
Often they'll come in saying that they're just complaining of blurriness or headaches, typically headaches that come on more at the end of the day after they've been looking at a screen for a while.
Dr. Fletcher Morehouse says the eye itself is not being damaged by screens in general, but when you're staring at a movie or FaceTime, you don't blink as often, and you're staring at something close to you for an extended period of time. She says it's best to practice something that has become known as the 20-20-20 rule.
So every 20 minutes, you take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away, like out a window or something. So that's one of the ways to alleviate it. And setting a timer for kids can be helpful with that, or if they're reading, whether it's on a tablet or a regular book, just having either a timer or a bookmark in there to let them know to look away, take a quick break every 20 minutes or so.
Other solutions include artificial tears, which lubricate the eye. Also, encouraging your kids to get outside for a bit and stopping screen time about an hour before putting them to bed. As for long-term damage, it's not something Dr. Fletcher Morehouse doesn't appear to be worried about for now.
So even though it's a nuisance and can certainly lead to inattention or, not wanting to continue classroom work, the long-term effects on the eye, we haven't seen any scientific data to suggest that there's any long-term damage.
I've reached out to local school districts, including GRPS, about any efforts they may be making to keep kids' eyes off of screens after a long period of time. We'll continue to update WoodTV.com when we do hear back. In the newsroom, Luke Laster, News 8.